Hello students, after many days I am back to my YouTube channel, and this time I am going to discuss the Icse semester 2 paper with you all. As you know, the first semester is already done and we are gearing up for the second semester. So those who have done good, bad, whatever, now should focus on your second semester. So we can start now, right? You can see the first question here, the multiple choice is there. There will be 10 questions and you need to read the questions very nicely, right? And follow the instruction. The first instruction, you do not copy the question. Copy question nahi karna hai. Do not copy. Just you will write your answer. The first one. When primitive data type is converted to its corresponding object, or it is called, the answer will be boxing. You will write like this: A, boxing, done. Whatever number is there, try to write the number and the correct answer. Okay, the first one is boxing. Second one, state the value of y after the following is executed. Char x equals to 7. Now, 7 is a digit. Therefore, character is letter will give you false. So, I have done here false. You should write a false. Right? So, these two questions are clear. Now, we can move to the another question. I've done it in a PDF so that I can share the whole thing with you all. Give the output of the following string methods. Mississippi.index of s. Now this will give you 0, 1, 2. This will give you 2. From here, yeah. From here, this is 2. And Mississippi dot last index of I, last I, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 2 plus 10, you will get 12. Your answer is 12. B, 12. Right? Corresponding wrapper class of int data type. Here, you should take care that, see, all are integer, but right integer is the integer that starts with capital letter, because integer is a class, wrapper class. So normally a class starts with a capital letter. Come to question number 5. Variable that is declared within the body of a method is termed as. एक function, एक method, एक scope में जो declare होता है, that is known as local variable. Now, next one. Identify the correct array declaration. Now, again, the syntax should be known. The right answer is this one. Int a bracket bracket new int 10. This one. A variable that is bounded to the object itself is called, object itself matlab class के अंदर, the variable which is inside the class, right? You declare a class variable method, उसको instance variable बोलते हैं. Okay, 7 questions done. We need to do more 3. Now, number 8, the access modifier that gives most accessibility, that is public. Right, this is from the chapter, encapsulation chapter, the theory chapter 1 chapter is there. You need to study that. Number 8 is public. Access modifier that gives most accessibility is public. Give the output of the following code. String A is 26.0 and B is 74.0. So double dot pass double will do what? It will convert into number 26.0. This is 74.0. Now finally they are added. If you add them, you will get 100.0. Last, wrapper classes are available in C. Wrapper class integer dot parse int. You have integer is the wrapper class. For that, we don't use any head of package. We don't import. So therefore, the package which is imported automatically, that is lang. ये automatically import होता है. Therefore, this is lang. I hope the first section is clear. If anybody needs the PDF, I will help them with that also, maybe in my comment section. You all do subscribe my channel for the latest update, because from this time I will be giving you the more matter. Now we can move to the programming part. I will not take much time in the programming part also, because it is already solved, so that your less time is used to see this video. Now in section B, one thing you note, You don't have to write any variable description or comments, just the program. Right. So the first one, define a class to declare array of size n and accept elements into array, and then you have to search, linear search, you have to search. If it is present, well, it is found, otherwise no such element, Now, when you are doing programming, make sure that you use public static void main. You can use BlueJ method also, but try to use public static void main. Now, suppose array in BlueJ also you can use n and take array in a BlueJ method, but advisable you should take scanner. Now, this scanner line is clear. This is the header file, importing package, name, better to start with capital. Okay, public static void main. This is the line to create an array. So before that, I have taken a number. देखो एक number लिया, enter the size of the array, declared an array. Then after that input, a loop starts till n. I have entered n numbers. Right? I have entered n numbers. After taking input, I have entered the number to search. एक number enter किए जिसको मेरे को search करना है. And after accepting that number, this is the process of searching. If my number is equal to x, I have taken a flag f equals to true. You can use flag, you can use count, whichever is convenient, but don't use else inside the loop. Otherwise that is an error. Your marks will be deducted. So if your number matches, अगर number match कर रहा है, your boolean value which is taken as false in the beginning, has become true. You can see that. देखो, I have taken boolean false here, right? So if it matches, f becomes true. Now if f is true, element is present in the array, else no such element. Linear search, very common program, right? You should, I hope this is clear for you. You should attempt this questions. Now we can go to the second questions. Okay, we have to attempt any 4, but we will be discussing all. Second question is, we have to accept a character of size 10, character array of size 10, and then count number of uppercase letters and vowels. So I hope you all know how to declare an array. See, this is the declaration of character array. Just one thing, to input you have to use next.char at 0, because in scanner we don't have a inbuilt function to input a character. Declared array, scanner, these lines variables you can declare later. Since I have solved early, I have declared, right? Now a loop starts till 10, take an input, and in another loop, always use another loop, checking for uppercase, right? If any variable is from A to Z, you can use ASCII code, you can use character is uppercase function. And for vowels, since uppercase, lowercase has not been told, for vowels I have used index of method. If you find it difficult, you can use like this, AI equals to A, or AI equals to small a, like this you can. Index of, it is a string, checks if any character is present, then you will get any positive value. If it is not present, then you will get a negative value. Therefore, if you get vowel, this index of will give you any value from 0 greater than equal to 0. After that, printing outside the loop. Okay, you go through this again. Now in section B, you have to do 4 questions. We have discussed 2 more, 5 are there. Okay, so from 6 you need to do 4. So again the third one is of array, right? And that you have to declare an array of size 20, right, of double type, calculate the sum and highest value. Okay, so how to declare an array, I hope it is known to you. We are declaring array, right? Scanner, a loop, this is a loop to input. Till here everybody should know basic thing, right? Iska step marking you will get. Now I need maximum and sum. I have used only one loop. I have taken the first number, A0, first, एक array है, उस array का first number, lot of numbers are there, right? So many numbers are there. The first number, suppose this 20.2 is taken as maximum. If any number is greater than that, max will be holding that number. So ultimately max में क्या आएगा? सबसे बड़ा number. First number you have taken as max, compare with all the other numbers. Whichever is max, that is stored. And after the loop, you can print. You can see, after the loop, I have printed maximum. Side by side, I have also taken the sum. I have not used another loop, and it is advisable in one loop you can do. Sang हम लोग sum भी कर रहे हैं. You can see, we are adding it also here. So inside the loop, you are getting sum, all printing done outside, because single value you have to print. You are not printing an array. So the third one is also done. Now we can proceed to the fourth question. The fourth question, you have to accept two strings, convert into uppercase. They are equal. If they are equal or not, if they are not equal, print the word or string with a larger length, and else give a suitable message that they are equal. Now here same I have used scanner, taken two strings, they have told not word, therefore next line you can take next also, then that will be a word, simple word, uppercase. I followed the question, I have done uppercase. Now checking, a string is compared equals function. Students use double equals to by mistake. Don't do that mistake. To compare a string, equals function. Since uppercase is used, I have not used equals ignore case. If both are equal, printed. Else, checking if their lengths, which one is greater. If S1 is greater, S1 is printed. Else if S2 is greater, S2 is present. Otherwise, just printed, both are same. A very simple and easy program. I hope you get it. Now, after this, two more we have. Palindrome, common, came in ICSE previously also. Now this one, what I have done using BlueGem method. You know what is a palindrome? Any string whose reverse is same, like dad, mom, madam, wasab, right? Dad, if you reverse dad, you will get dad. Madam, M-A-D-A-M, if you reverse from back, you get madam. You can use scanner in case you don't have time, because you have to do 4 programs, right? You can use BlueGem method also. You have taken a string, length, uppercase, you know what is length? It gives you length of the string. Uppercase पूरे को capital करता है. Okay. And now reversing it. Now just reversing it. Now, acha, one mistake I have done. In the question it is given lowercase. And due to my mistake, instead of lowercase, I have done uppercase. I have done, okay. So if you do this, your marks may be deducted. So you have to write here S equals to S dot 2 lowercase. This correction you should do. So whatever question says, you need to follow that. Even if they give a different class name, you should use that class name. I have used palindrome from my side. I have reversed the loop L minus 1, right? Suppose my name, length is 4. So from 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 0. From back, 1, 1 character is taken and Azam becomes Maja. And at the end, comparing whether both are same or not. If same, palindrome, else not. Okay, and finally, we can move to the last one. Define a class to accept those 10 strings into an array and print the strings with even number of characters. Means the length should be even. Here, string array, not an integer or double array, string array. Again, not a word has been not told, only string has been told. Therefore, I have used next line. This is the way to declare an array string. By mistake, most of you have the habit of giving int. So note that that should be string. a loop to input 10 strings. Inside the loop, I have calculated length of each word. And here I have checked if the lengths are even, I have printed those words. What I have done extra, I have counted them. Also in the question, nothing has been told. Suppose if you don't have any word which has even characters, even number of characters. So it's advisable that at the end you say no such strings. You will count that. If C is 0, you can say no such string. But in case you leave also, I don't think so there should be a problem, because in question nothing has been told. So we have discussed all, right? And more tips and how to prepare for the exam, and the content on string and array will be coming soon, right? I will be creating whole syllabus video on strings and arrays for second semester very soon. So till then you can go through this and do share this with your friends, so that is helpful to them. Okay, thank you, tata, bye bye.